Beat the heat wherever you go with our top 5 picks for the best portable air conditioners in Amazon. Whether you're cooling a bedroom, small apartment, or home office, these units bring comfort on demand. Lightweight, efficient, and easy to move. Stay chill anytime, anywhere.
Number 1. BLACK+DECKER BPACT1 for WT. Powerful cooling for rooms up to 350 square feet. Easy to install and move with caster wheels. Includes remote control and sleep mode for convenience.
Number 2. Whynter ARC1 dual hose. Fast cooling with dual hose efficiency. Cools, dehumidifies, and fans all in one unit. Ideal for larger spaces up to 500 square feet. Number 3. Serene Light SLPAC10. Compact design with powerful 10,000 BTU output, quiet operation, perfect for bedrooms or nurseries. Includes built-in dehumidifier for added comfort. Number 4. Honeywell MO08CESWK. Sleek and space-saving design. Energy-efficient cooling for small rooms, washable filter, and simple touch controls. And number 5. LG LP1 IVSM Smart Wi-Fi Portable AC. Smart tech with voice and app control. Dual inverter tech for faster, quieter cooling. Great for modern homes and tech lovers. Let's share and subscribe our channel for the next top 5 most highly rated products in Amazon.